Right? We're going to do just a 5-minute lit circle, guys. Remember I asked you to make a prediction? Today what I want you to do is make a prediction. What do you think is going to happen next to this dog? The story ended with, oh, the dog's feeling great. He's on the boat. What do you think will happen next in his life? So I want you to make some predictions. And guess what? I also know the answer, and I'll share the answer with you later. Yeah, so we're going to do a lit circle. Remember, when you're in a lit circle, you're in a group of friends who come together to talk about a book you're reading. Sometimes in a lit circle, you might talk about your favorite part, and we've already done that in the past. We're not doing that today. Today, we're going to talk about predictions. Predictions that you are going to make about what happens after this story is done. This is a lit circle in a traditional classroom. This is our lit circle here in our virtual world. Does anyone know why do we do lit circles? Remember? We talked about this quite a bit. It's been a while since we've done a lit circle. That's why I'm reviewing. Why? What's the reason? Mia, why do we do lit circles in homework class?
To talk about the book.
Right, that's right. And when we talk about a book, well, it helps us understand books better when you talk about it. So not just when you sit and listen, but when you actively engage in a conversation, which means you're having a chit-chat. You're having some chit-chat with friends. And guess what? Being in a lit circle also teaches you how to be part of a team. And when you're part of a team, there's some days where, oh, I don't know, I can't think of a prediction, I don't know. So some days you might be a little quiet. You feel like you don't have a good idea, and that's okay. And then there will be other days where you emerge as a leader in the group because your brain's full of great ideas, and you want to share your ideas. Or maybe you can step up as a leader by helping someone out. Yeah. So what's most important in a lit circle is that we remember our good manners and we participate in some way. So if that just means you're drawing a picture because you're stuck, that's okay. So our rules are always be polite, say hello on the mic, write in your very own space, write neatly, talk clearly. Please raise your hand if you need help. We've got Mr. Blaylock here. He loves lit circles, and I'm here too. Of course, you can grab a learning coach too if you're stuck. The first thing you do in a lit circle, in case you forgot, it's been a couple weeks since we've done this, you claim your spot, you write your name. And then you start writing your ideas. And today, your ideas are about Baltic. What happened to Baltic after this story? Do you think someone adopted him? Did he fall back in the sea? What happened to poor Baltic? What do you think? And then draw a picture to go with it. I'm going to turn the timer on once you've had 3 or 4 minutes to draw and write. When the timer's on, I want you to talk. Remember, we go in order. That means the person who claims spot number 1, could you please talk first? And then number 2, 3, and 4. If you're feeling shy, you just don't want to talk, it's okay to write I pass, but you do need to write some words and draw a picture about your prediction. Everyone participates in a different way in a lit circle, but everyone does participate, don't we? All right? So I'm going to put you in a group with 3 other friends. Raise your hand if you get stuck. Hi, everybody. I had fun eavesdropping on some of your conversations. I saw so many compliments, so many people participating. It was wonderful. I really love this one. Nathan drew a picture. Judah said that he thinks he'll fall off the boat. London said he thinks he will get to live on the boat with the people who save them. And Annabella said, I think the people on the boat will adopt him. Oh my goodness, so many good participations today, so much good effort. Is there anyone that would like to raise their hand and tell me one thing they enjoyed about Lit Circle today? One positive thing. How about Judah? Judah, you're my son, buddy.
I like it because we can all get together and then we can think about what we think is gonna happen, and we just can be a group.
Yeah, you like being part of a group, and you do a great job. You're polite, and it does help when you share ideas and think about things.